As the sun rises over Almaden de la Plata, the quiet stillness of the countryside is broken only by the rhythm of my bike. Today, I continue my journey along the ancient Via de la Plata, one of the oldest pilgrimage routes to Santiago. Ahead lies a stretch full of history, nature, and unexpected beauty. Leaving the town behind, the trail immediately rises into the Sierra Norte. This region is a haven for cork oaks, wildflowers, and birdsong. The gravel crunches beneath my tires as I climb through shaded forests and open pastures. It's quiet. It's just me, the road, and the distant cowbells. Each pedal stroke reminds me, this path has been traveled for centuries, by traders, soldiers, monks. And now, by me. After a few hours of effort, I reach El Real de la Jara, a charming whitewashed village near the border of Andalusia and Extremadura. Its castle ruins watch silently from the hilltop. A café by the plaza offers a short rest, café con leche and a local pastry. Pilgrims pass quietly, some walking alone, others in pairs. We nod to each other and wished each other a safe journey. Buen camino. We're all going the same way. Leaving the village, I cross into Extremadura. The landscape opens up dramatically, long stretches of red earth, stone walls, and ancient holm oaks. This is Dehesa country, home to Iberian pigs and traditional farming. The Via de la Plata follows ancient Roman roads here. In some places, the old paving stones still peek through the dust. Riding over them, I feel the centuries beneath my wheels. Monasterio sits proudly on a hilltop, known for its world-famous Jamón Ibérico. The Museum of Ham reminds me how deeply food and land are connected here. I grab a sandwich, simple, delicious, deeply local. From this point, the path begins to descend gently. The afternoon heat rises, but the landscape continues to inspire: golden fields, scattered cork trees, and distant farmhouses. The kilometers pass slowly now. Long, empty stretches of dirt road lead through the silent countryside. This is the magic of the Camino, when everything else fades, and you're left with just your breath, your thoughts, and the sound of tires turning. It's not just a physical journey. It becomes something deeper. A rhythm. A meditation. Finally, Sofra appears on the horizon, the white buildings, the towers of the Alcazar, the narrow cobbled streets. Often called Sevilla La Chica for its elegance, Sofra is more than just a stop. It's a reward. I roll into the main plaza, where locals gather as the sun begins to set. There's a quiet sense of achievement in arriving here. But the journey continues tomorrow. Each day on the Camino brings its own challenge, its own beauty. From the hills of Almaden to the charm of Sofra, I've seen more than just landscapes. I've felt the heartbeat of Spain, the soul of the road. Tomorrow, the journey continues north. But for now, I rest, grateful, humbled, and ready for what comes next. To rest I chose the Albergue Convento of San Francisco. This hostel was one of the first to be opened on the Via de la Plata for pilgrims. It is located in a former Franciscan convent in the city center. The building dates back several centuries, renovated by the government of Extremadura. The inside retains a beautiful cloister belonging to the former convent where you can enjoy a haven of peace.